Good afternoon. We have left Ubud. The laptop is fixed. We spent 10 days there, and the laptop was returned to us about 45 minutes before we were supposed to depart. And here we are down at the bottom of Bali in Sanur, and we're about to head to Nusa Lembongan.
You got it right.
Nusa Lembongan. And the way we're going to do that today is kind of interesting in itself. So we'll give you a little view of the port that you would leave on and show you how you get there. These are the speedboats that take you over there. You can see there's a lot of them. Some of them have 4 engines, some of them actually have 5 engines. And then they go out, they bust through probably these waves, and then you go over to the island down there. I don't know if this footage will pick it up, but in a nutshell, that's what we're doing. And we'll be there for 8 beautiful nights before we return to Bali. Just to give you an idea, when you get here to the port, everybody goes to the ticket booth, and there's all different ferries. We are on the Camel, but there is a bunch of options. We had reservations too. If you don't got a reservation, sometimes it could be a problem. There is plenty of places to buy some food or drink for your ride. It's only about 30 or 40 minutes. Not sure if I told you that already. And then you wait, like everybody here is doing. There's Jeanne. Our boat, believe it or not, I've never seen anything like this. It has 6 engines, 6 outboards on it. This is how they do it. They hand carry all your luggage for you up to the beach, and then you get it from there. These guys go 3 suitcases at a time, no matter what the weight is. So here's a quick look what the inside looks like. They're 3 and 3s. And we took the first row. I'm not sure if they're gonna close this down or we're getting wet. We'll see. Okay, let's show you how they do it. Pull the pin, hook it up to the main steering mechanism. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And off we go to another adventure. I've never seen 6 engines working. And let me tell you something, the wake that this is pushing out, it's incredible. Really big. These guys are all working on the bolts that hold the steering mechanism on. They're all loose. if this footage will pick it up, but because it's very cloudy out, the water is crystal clear. You can see right down to the bottom. We are definitely going to be doing the beach drop-off. There's no pier. These guys are coming here, and we're going to get off on this boat, and they're going to bring us to the beach. Okay, there's many ways to do it, and this is the next step. This is how it's done. You think any of that luggage has ever went into the water? There they go, shuttling the people. Always an adventure. We strive to give you the full experience. And off we go. They do have it figured out. I got to give them that. And you know we're walking in. Let's see how Jeanne does. She's off. She hit her knee on the cleat when we got on this boat. This thing right there, and smashed her knee. Okay, boss.
All good?
Good.
Excuse Bella.
And there's our transportation. Madi. Madi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much. We'll cut it here and wait for our luggage. We got our luggage. We got our transportation guy. Now we're going to walk to our transportation. I have no idea what Jeanne has booked for us, but I know it's a villa. It could be gecko bungalows. I have no idea. You out?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
I appreciate it.
For motorbike, you would.
Yes,
friend, yeah?
okay.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Villa Agung. Okay, so hello. Really? Look what she did. Is this all ours? The whole thing? Really? What did she do? Where's my wallet? What did she do? Okay. Okay, let me go talk with him about our, I'm going to cut it here and talk about our scooter. All right, let me give you the walkthrough. First of all, this is Lenny. Very nice. And this is the first bedroom right here. Air conditioning's ice cold. Beautiful. Let's just check out. Wow. Western toilet. Nice shower, hot water on demand, and sink. Really nice. King size bed. Flat screen. Private pool. Oops. Here is the common room. We'll get to that in a second. Let's go over here, and this would be the second bedroom. And I'm going to go ahead and guess this is the master, because it's a little bit more well appointed. Again, ice cold air conditioning, really nice. And king size bed. I don't see the flat screen, but we can move that, that's for sure. And nice sink, Western toilet, beautiful shower with hot water on demand, fan, and got a washing machine. How nice is that? Really nice. Jeanne really did it. I don't know what she paid, but she did it. Two nice lounge chairs. Now let's take a quick look in here. Beautiful place to relax. Nice flat screen. Can lay down here. And you got a full refrigerator, toaster, stove, oven, cutlery. Actually, there's two refrigerators. I guess at some point they might rent these out separately. There you have it, overlooking the seaweed farms. By the way, I forgot to introduce you to Mario, our host. Very good. I already introduced them to Lenny. And there you have it. We are here.